fish from Costco. I'm in my car. Let's speed this up. Hot dog. Oh, it's where Tita Mama is sitting. Alright. Can I eat this?
So madudumihan ka. Nakalagay mo nga dyan, nadudumihan si Sonson. Nasaan yung ano, yung kay baby, daddy? Yung crackers na hiningi ko.
Wala akong makita.
Si Mami la meron dun, alam niya yun eh. Yung ano kinakain ni Sonson, yung parang ano, rice, ano ba yun?
Oo, yung rice. Yung rice.
Pwede ba kuha? Medyo malala.
Yeah, that was a random video earlier. It's a mukbang in my car.
Pwede mo bigyan si Sonson. I'm gonna put Sonson to the car seat na.
Mom.
36.
So yeah, we're just eating. Really impressive. But bye. One last hot dog bite. That's it. This is lovely.